All this running around on the beach has got me parched. You know what that means. It's time to hydrate.
And all my people say,
Our final stop in Flagler Beach puts us at next door Beach Bistro. I'm sorry, did I just teleport to the south of France? Don't you just love an outdoor patio? Look at the pergola. This waterfront restaurant is the perfect place to get out of the sun and enjoy an elevated dining experience.
Great ocean view. Everybody loves the beach. You can eat great food and watch the waves. It's great.
You won't find your typical fried grouper sandwich here. Served up is modern American cuisine with a creative twist.
It's kind of like going to a little Parisian bar, but in the beach in Florida.
Ooh, that looks delish. Where's my fork? Where's my fork? What do you use to eat this thing? Do I have to wear a bib here? This bistro is the sister restaurant to Flagler Beach's oldest family-owned restaurant in the whole county, Golden Lion Cafe. And it just so happens to be right next door. Get it? Next door. See what they did there?
Next door is good vibes, money well spent.
Okay, this show is called Beaches, Bars, and Bungalows, so let's hit the bar.
Being locals, we love the atmosphere and they have great drinks.
This bar is quite literally the centerpiece of the restaurant. And no matter where you sit, you get that amazing ocean view through the big glass windows.
To be able to see the ocean from the bar, you can't ask for anything better than that when you're having a great meal and a great drink.
I know what you're thinking. Go ahead. Grab a seat. I'll see if I can track down the bartender.
These are the best craft cocktails in Flagler Beach.
Found him. This is Christian. He'll be shaking things up for us tonight. Next Door offers up 11 unique signature cocktails, all using premium ingredients. First up is the Rendezvous. This drink consists of French gin, elderflower liqueur, Aperol, lemon, agave, and to top it off, a splash of champagne. Don't worry, no fire here. It's just their smoky old-fashioned that's bringing the heat. This classic bourbon cocktail is sweetened with sugar and aromatized with aromatic and orange bitters. The strong, earthy flavor of the bourbon pairs well with wood notes added through the smoking process. This last drink is their most popular drink item on the menu.
So this one is a champagne pear martini. It is natty.
A top-shelf pear vodka is mixed with elderflower liqueur, pear, pineapple juice. Toss it up, give it a little shake. Then topped off with champagne and lemon. Add a little sugar rim and poof. Look at that delicious concoction. Okay, put the pretty drink down.